Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing crispy and crunchy peanut chikki recipe, also known as peanut candy or kadala muttai in Malayalam. A healthy and easy to make snack recipe made without refined sugar. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a heavy bottomed wide pan, I'm adding in 1 cup of jaggery. I have roughly crushed the jaggery, and the jaggery I'm using is organic. It does not contain any sand or dirt or dust particles. Hence, I'm adding it directly into the pan. On medium flame, I'm going to melt the jaggery. Once the jaggery starts to melt, lightly stir it. Into this, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon A2 desi ghee. Give it a good mix and allow the jaggery to melt completely. If you don't add A2 desi ghee when the jaggery starts to melt, it may get burned or even get stick to the pan. So it is highly important that you add A2 desi ghee. However, if you are a vegan and do not prefer to use desi ghee, you can use wood pressed groundnut oil instead. Okay, now the jaggery has melted completely. So I'm keeping on stirring this until I get the crack stage consistency of the jaggery. Now to check whether it has come into the crack stage, I'm taking a small portion and adding it into a katori filled with water. Wait a couple of seconds and remove it from the katori, and if it cracks when you break it, it is ready. You can hear the crackling sound, so that means the jaggery is ready. And when you break it, if it cracks, then it is ready. So now the jaggery is of the right consistency. Now into this I'm adding in 1 cup of roasted peanuts. Give it a good mix. At this stage, turn off the flame. Mix it really well so that the jaggery is nicely coated all over the peanuts. I have a wooden cutting board and I'm greasing the cutting board with some desi ghee. Instead of a wooden cutting board, you can use the back of a steel plate as well. And now transfer the peanut mix. And with a greased spoon, lightly spread the peanut mix. I'm greasing an old rolling pin with the desi ghee and I'm running it over the peanut. And with a knife, I'm just leveling the ends. And before it cools down completely, slice into your desired shape. And allow it to cool down completely, and then I'll show you how it looks. Once it has cooled down, with a knife you can easily remove it from the cutting board. You can see how perfectly the peanut chikki has come out. Let me show you how crispy the peanut chikki is. So guys, do try this healthy peanut chikki recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.